You will check in with one of our admissions clerks in the Cardinal Lobby. If it helps you to remember, it's the lobby at the front entrance of the hospital. Here they will ask you for your insurance card and ID. They will verify that all your information is correct and apply a patient ID band to your wrist. This will be used throughout your stay to help our staff properly identify you. It may get redundant, but our staff will ask you to verify your name and date of birth before performing any procedures or administering medications as a safety measure. Your family will receive a pager so they can be contacted for updates while they wait for you in the waiting area.